Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on Wi-Fi in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. To turn on Wi-Fi, just go to the settings of your phone here first. Go to settings, then you will find Wi-Fi option. Just click on it and just to turn on Wi-Fi so that your phone will scan Wi-Fi, and if it is already connected to another Wi-Fi, it will be directly connected. Otherwise other Wi-Fi signal will be also showing below it, and just you can click on it, and if you know the password for another Wi-Fi signal received from your surrounding, just click on it and supply your password. Yes, but I don't know password for this network. I only know the password. This is my own network, Durai 5G. Okay, so in this way you can easily use Wi-Fi and connect to another signal. Okay, yes, this is the one way of connecting Wi-Fi to your phone. And also you have one button directly in the notification area. Just go to the notification area and just click on Wi-Fi button here, and Wi-Fi will be enabled. And if you long press it, it will be showing the details like which Wi-Fi signal your phone is connected to. Yes, to the 5G is connected. So in this way you can easily use Wi-Fi, that is Wi-Fi facility, Wi-Fi feature provided in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Just there are two methods to turn on Wi-Fi, and turn on Wi-Fi and use the Wi-Fi signal received from another devices. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.